Hello everyone. Today we will be talking about the links and the images in HTML. So here's our document. What is a link? A link is a resource which connects one page to another. Yeah, basically an HTML web page. So how does it works? It works through a tag known as a tag. So here is it, a tag. How to use it? We use a particular attribute known as href, yeah, h reference. It is used to connect one web page to another. So here we will enter the link address. If we want to go to google.com from our page, then we can write the complete address of google.com. So we can go to google.com like this way. Or if we want to go to any other web page which we have created, and if it is stored in the same folder where we have stored our original web page, then directly we can give the name of the web page. Or else if it is stored in any else place, then we will have to give the location like this. We can copy the location. I think we know how to copy the location, so we'll paste the location here and we can go there. This link address is given in the href attribute or href attribute, used to provide additional information about the HTML elements. So we'll see how to use link. Directly going to our program, we open it with Sublime Text. Here's the code. So here you might see this place where I have used a link. So I have linked a new web page html3.html and I have written here click me, and here the link ends. So how would it work? This click me statement would particularly become a link which would be clickable, and it would take me to a web page known as html3.html. So in order for the click me to take me to this web page, it must exist. So we have created here an HTML3 web page, and in this web page we have written simply welcome to the second page, and this is the link. So this link will be taking us to this web page. So how it would be taking us, let us open this web page and see. Here is the web page. Do not see what is down, I'll be coming to it today itself. We must just consider this click me format. So up to here we have seen that it is a small heading in our last videos. If you don't know what these are, so please refer to my previous videos, and I would suggest that start watching my videos from the very beginning. Okay, so click me is here and it is clickable. See, the mouse format changes, and clicking this it would take me to the next web page, and see, it has taken me to the next web page saying welcome to the second page. So this is the way how links work. Okay, now let us see the use of HTML images. What are HTML images? HTML images are defined with the help of image tag img, and it does not contain an ending tag like /img. Here we use attributes such as src, alt, width, height. So what are these attributes? src is a attribute which is used to name a particular image, like which image are we going to present in our web page. See, here we have used an src is equal to image.png, or we can also use the jpg format depending on what format we have downloaded the image in the double quote. Then comes the alt. This attribute is used to give an alternate display, means if the image is not loaded due to some problem, so what should be displayed instead of the image? An alternate display or any text could be written here that will be displayed. The width and height attributes are used to fix the width and height of the image. What should be the size of the image? We can understand it this way. So on running this image, we also need to download an image, and since we have not given any path location, it means the image should be placed in the same place where our HTML is placed. So here is our HTML, here is our image. So what to do for the image? We can directly go to our Chrome browser. Here we can write anything which we mount, go to the image section. Here we'll get a lot of image. Click on any image and just save the image into the same location or different location. If you want different location, then you will have to give the exact position of the image. Okay, so we have downloaded the image in the same folder. Here is the image. Now we have to locate the image using Mickey. So how did we do it? If we go to the Sublime, we see that we have used here BR tags to give some space between the link and the image. So here is the image tag. We have given the mickey.png because it was downloaded in .png format. Then we have given the width 200 pixel and height 300 pixel of the image. So on running, what are we displayed with? This is the Mickey mouse image which I downloaded, and it is being displayed here. Okay, then we also will be discussing, we discussed the images, and now there is an interesting thing known as merge an image and a link. It means we can merge an image and a link. How to merge means, if we use a link, there will be an image which will be taking us to another web page. So here is a href link address. I told you it can be anything, any location like google.com or our same web page present in the same folder. And then instead, where we had given the information like click me or any text, instead of that we pasted just the image with src, alternate, width and height. So now what is going to happen is that this image will become a link, and we will be able to click this image and it will take us to another link which we describe. So what have we described? Let us see. Here is the reference with an image. We have described here mickey.png, and it will be taking us to html 3.html, means the web page which we have created here. On running, what do we see? On running, we see this Mickey mouse has been created, and see, it is a link, it is clickable, the mouse format is changed, and when we click this image, we are taken to the next page. And now we will be discussing what is this line about. This line is basically used to separate two different parts of the body, like I have separated this image and a link. So how can we draw this line? This line can be drawn by using the HR tag. This tag is given to draw a line. See, here I have used this HR tag. This tag made the difference. And BR tag, as we know, it is used to transfer to a new line. So this was the discussion on tags such as links and images and merging of both. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.